A day in my life here in UAE, Dubai for today video guys. Maglakad karon sa Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. And you know what guys, I'm super excited because isa talaga to sa mga lugar na nilulook forward ko once makapunta ako ng Dubai. And finally, it's happening now. Oh my god. It's really a dream come true to me to come here and to see these places in person. Like, oh my gosh, I was like living in my dream. And voila! Natatadre sa Burj Khalifa. Oh, what a good taas kay siya guys. Gwapo ka na in person. And grabe ka tao guys, no? Kay everyone is waiting for this iconic fountain show. And if you don't know, Dubai Fountain or this fountain in front of the Burj Khalifa is the biggest of the best. So basically, andito na ata yung mga pinakamalalaki sa Dubai. Pati yung pinaka-ducks na hinahanap mo. Charot! So after watching the first fountain show, we moved to a different location. Pupuntahan naman natin yung ibang places na nakikita natin sa social media. Tara! And while walking, kitang-kita naman talagang busog na busog yung mata ko, diba? Kasi nga first time. And so if you guys are planning to come, here are the best activities that you must visit and talagang mai-enjoy nyo. And at least alam nyo naman yung anong gagawin pag pumunta na dito, diba? And nag-start na nga yung second show ng fountain and ito yung mukha ng Burj Khalifa paggabi na. Ang ganda, diba? Next activity is pumunta naman kami doon sa iconic wings. And while waiting for our turn, meron din tayong mga nakakulitang mga Pakistani. Diba ang kaganda nila pero hindi tayo papahuli. Charot. Medyo nahiya pa nga ako dito guys kasi ang daming tao in front of you. Pero wala, deadma, tuloy ang show. So kung meron naman kayong mga dalang kids, pwede din sila mag-play dito. So ayan, di ba? Ang ganda ng Burj Khalifa, guys. Ganyan siya in close. If you're looking for a best spot to witness this beautiful show, akit lang kayo doon sa in front of Burj Khalifa. And I was truly mesmerized with this giant fountain show. And ang ganda pa ng music. Talagang mapapaiyak ka na talaga. Huy! Hindi iiyak si OA. Hindi ka iiyak for today's video, B. Huwag kang OA dyan. Wow! And after the show, pupunta naman tayo sa loob ng Dubai Mall at pupuntahan natin yung beautiful aquarium nila. And again, I'm super excited because there's a lot of species of fishes, stingrays na first time ko talaga makikita sa entire life ko. Especially this shark. You know, ang ganda. And I was thinking na nawag ba'y tamban dito sa sulod? And after this aquarium, we moved to our last spot, which is this beautiful, beautiful fountain. That's all for our live for today. Follow for more. Bye!